Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Sorry about last night. I totally got home at like 9 o'clock, fell asleep after the upload, didn't get to label the name, so went ahead and labeled or titled the video and added the description this morning when I woke up at like 6 o'clock or whatever. So anyways, on to today's video. Went ahead in the second floor elevator mechanical room, got this 2-inch continued around 90 and down, got this disconnect hung. I thought, for some reason I thought there was no wire in here. I was like, this is gonna be super easy, but totally forgot there was still wire in it. So hanging it was still annoying because you basically have to pull the wire out as you lift this up, which is not light at all. So me and my coworker Nick took care of that. As you know, I work with Nick every day, so shout out Nick. So we hung this, got that screwed in. Basically just because it's a sheetrock right here and there's studs like right there and right there, you can see by the screw holes, had to go behind. I'll show you that. Went behind the wall right here and just screwed in some metal backing right here. So that's just screwed from the sheetrock. So Nick held it with the metal studs on the back, and I screwed it. So one of the screw holes is right here, and the other one is up there. So there's like 2 screw holes here, and then the other ones are like over here and over here. And then I had the metal backing for the actual screws to hold it. So I screwed the metal pieces on first, and then screwed the disconnect to those. And then she holds solid. She ain't going nowhere. So got that done. We got it strapped here with a strut, 2-inch 1-piece strut strap. Got the pair hangers in for those. Basically we just did the pair hangers first, cut this piece right here from this coupling to this coupling, and then pushed all the wire through, and then actually with the 90 on it, and then got this piece cut. Basically just set the disconnect on the ground right here, 4 inches off the wall, and then put the 90 on it, measured from the wall to the 90, which was, I forgot the number, and then measure off the wall to this coupling, and then subtracted that, which gave us this piece, and then basically just slid this piece on over the wire, and then slid the 90 on over the wire, and then I knew the top of this disconnect was 6'6", and then measured from 6'6" to the end of this coupling right here, the middle of it, and that gave me that number. And then once we got that, just lifted, had this connector on in the disconnect, and then just lifted all of it up, slid it on there, screwed it, and that held it in place. And then basically just lifted it up the 1/2 inch because it was heavy and it was sagging. So just pushed it back up the 1/2 inch to get it onto the 6'6" line right here, and then just screwed it in place and leveled it out, and that was that. So that kind of gives you the rundown on how to do that. And then started working on this box over here. If you remember yesterday, there was like 15 feet of wire or 10 foot of wire, but that's too short to make it over to the panel that's going over here. So I just cut it off at 2 feet. It's going to be made up in this box right here. Had to drill this hole out in the back and then punch a hole over there for this one, because this was only a 1/2 inch box or 3/4. So had to get a couple 1-inch knockouts in there. Got a 90 going there, 90 going here, and that's where we got on that. Oh my gosh, it's getting hot in here. So got that strapped as well, but because I already got the 2-inch in, and then earlier, first thing in the day, we worked on this fire alarm right here. So basically trying to get the 90 through there, but because of everything in the way, this pipe was way longer over to here, but it wouldn't fit with all the short walls and stuff, so I had to cut it back shorter, and then like take a few of these straps off, or pair hangers, one off the fire and one off of ours, to get it back in there to get the right angle, and then screwed those back together. So now we are ready to just take this 1-inch, 90 it down into the panel, and then hang the panel tomorrow. Here's the cover, here's the goods for that. The panel is outside, the box is outside behind me. And so that should do it. So like I said, we worked on this morning with a 3/4 short nipple, and then just did a little offset to get down to the connector, and then just did a short piece right there for 2 fireboxes. Just pushed the wire through because it was hanging out of the ceiling. And so that's what we got going today. And then yeah, like I said, tomorrow we're just gonna hang that other panel, land these wires. We should have more wires to junction that, and then probably land that once we pull the wire through that pipe into the panel right there. And then there's still some other pipes we got to do. Once we mount the panel, we got to run a 1/2 inch pipe up for the switch box over here, like I said. And then the other, I think it was another 3/4 pipe out of the panel is going to go up and avoid all of this stuff. Now it's going to go out of the wall and connect to one of the pipes behind us. I'll show you that. So it's going to connect to one of these pipes. I think it was, I don't know. Seems like the pipe disappeared. So there was a pipe there, but now it's gone. So anyways, it's connected to one of those 3/4 PVC pipes. So we'll transition from PVC to EMT coming through, hit the panel, and that should do it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. That was an intense video. Check the description for anything else. Notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow for my birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow. Anyways, see you guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.